Welcome to this guide on Google Classroom. So open up the app, and when you open up the app you're given the option to sign in. Now make sure that you use your school email address with welearn365.com at the end. When you press next, that will then take you to the Warwickshire LEA sign in page. Again, you put in your email address with the welearn365.com and then you enter your password. Once it then signs in, it will open up your page and your child will already be signed into your year group. So you should see your child's year group. Select the year group that you would like and you should get this page, which is your stream page. And this is where all new assignments will appear. So we're going to have a look at the menu in the top left hand corner. If you click on the three lines, that will give you all the options for changing class or looking at different settings or signing out. There'll be another video on that later. So let's have a look at the new assignment, the My Half Term one. Now on the iPad, this will be the page that you will see, and you will be able to read the instructions for the assignment at the top. And then if you click on the arrow at the bottom that will then scroll up, you'll be able to see the actual document that you are going to edit. So there you can see Kyneton Primary School My Half Term. That is a Google Docs. Click on that and then click on the box with the arrow in the top right hand corner and it will open Google Docs. But this will only happen if you have Google Docs installed on your iPad. To then edit Google Docs, you then click the little pen in the bottom right hand corner and then you can start typing, as you can see. When you have typed and you want to change things like bold or italics or underlined, use the options at the top of the page. One of the things you can do is change whether you're highlighting in a different colour. So you can click the highlighting colour, change it to red, and then when you write, it will appear all highlighted in red. You could also write in a different colour. So let's select the green option. So go to text colour, select green, make sure that we take the highlighter colour off, and then when you type, it will type in green. Now if you want to change the font size or the font type itself, you need to double click on the text that you've written that you want to change, and then you need to use your finger to highlight the whole of the text that you would like, just like that. And then you select the A in the top right hand corner and that will give you all the options for the font. So you can increase the size, we can select another one and change the font. Let's change that to Comic Sans. So when you've done that, it's then ready to be handed in. So you press the tick in the top left hand corner, go back to Classroom, that top left hand corner, and it'll take you back to this screen. On this screen, if you want to write a little note to your teacher to say that you've done it or if you have a question about it. So let's maybe write, I've completed my work and do I need to do any more? So just write that in. Okay, and then when you press hand in, it will then confirm the hand in. You press the little blue arrow to make sure you've sent the message, and that will only go to your teacher. So they are the instructions for how to use Google Classroom on the iPad and how to hand in a Google Docs piece of work on the iPad using Google Classroom. If you would like to know how to do other features and also how to use a different web browser on a laptop, on a computer, then do look at some of the other videos, help videos that will be available throughout this week.